I used to spend $300 more than I earned every single month, and I had no idea where it was going. Then I built this expense tracker in Google Sheets, and in just 30 days I stopped overspending completely. Today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and give you the template free. Let's go. This is the dashboard, your spending command center. 6 cards at the top show you today's spending, this week, this month, your monthly budget, how much you have remaining, and your biggest single purchase. Below that is your full category breakdown, every category color-coded. Green means safe, yellow means warning, red means over budget. One glance and you know exactly where you stand. Sheet 2 is the daily log, and this is the most important sheet. Every time you spend money, every single purchase, even a $2 coffee, you log it here. Date, description, category, and amount. 30 seconds maximum. The today total, weekly total, and monthly total all calculate automatically at the top. Now here's the thing that changed everything for me. When I saw my dining out total hit $210 in the first 2 weeks of the month, I stopped eating out immediately. You can't change what you don't measure. Sheet 3 is the weekly summary. This shows you exactly how much you spent in each category every single week of the month. Look at week 2, my dining out jumped to $80 that week alone. That's where I was losing money every month without realizing it. Seeing it week by week makes patterns crystal clear. You start asking yourself, did I really need that? And the answer is usually no. Sheet 4 is the monthly report, the full year at a glance. 12 months side by side for every category. You can see December is always expensive, shopping and dining spike every year. January I always overspend on food because of New Year habits. Knowing this in advance means I can budget for it before it happens instead of being shocked after. My favorite sheet, Sheet 5, Spending Alerts. This automatically flags every category as green, yellow, or red. Green means you're safe. Yellow means you've used 80% of your budget, slow down. Red means over budget, stop spending in that category immediately. No more surprises at the end of the month. This one sheet stopped me overspending in 30 days flat. This complete expense tracker is available on Gumroad for just $7, link in the description. 6 sheets, fully set up, just enter your expenses and everything calculates automatically. Or if you want the full system, income tracker, budget, debt payoff, savings goals, and net worth all in one file, grab my ultimate budget planner for $12. Both links are below. Start tracking today, even if it's just one expense. The habit builds from there. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for weekly money tips. Let's get that money right. See you in the next one.